In this tutorial video, you will learn how to use SUMIF function in Microsoft Excel. In this example, I have fruits and cells of different fruits. I want to calculate the total of only apple. So how to use the SUMIF function in Excel to calculate the sum of apple cells? So let's start. So equal to SUMIF. First you need to select your range, criteria, then sum range. Let's click on this function. In the range, select your range. In the criteria, select your apple as the criteria. And in the sum range, select your sum range. But make sure if you are selecting your range as A1 to A7 with header, then make sure your sum range also with header. If you are selecting your range without header, then make sure your sum range also without your header. And then click on OK. So now how to use SUMIF function in Excel with wildcard. For example, instead of apple, I have apples. So now how I can calculate, because it will get the output as only 100. In that case, along with the D2, you have to add and double quote star and enter. Now it will calculate. Alternatively, if you are typing your text, make sure to type your text along with your wildcard and enter. This is all about how to use SUMIF function in Excel. If you are watching the video for the first time, please subscribe our channel, and if you like the video, please like and share. And if you have any question or suggestion, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.